Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and I am wearing some of the most comfortable pajamas I have ever purchased. These are the Victoria's Secret long pajama set. The best thing about this pajama set is that it is 90% made of a material called Modal. Modal is very comfortable, feels amazing against your skin. It is moisture wicking, it doesn't trap body odors, and it maintains my body temperature. Another thing that I love about this pajama set is the classic design. So I never have to worry about this design of this pajama set looking dated. I love the way it feels on my body. It's easy to wash and dry. It maintains its shape after I've washed and dried it plenty of times. And I recommend this pajama set to all of my friends. If you need a pajama set, I think you should give these a try. And that's my point of view.